Welcome to another past paper walkthroughs. This is a question from Edexcel, IGCSE Accounting, June 2024, R Series, Modular, Paper 1. The question would fall under other receivable and payable topic of our accounting syllabus. Let's dive in. The question requires the examinees to prepare telephone charges account and rental income account. To make the accounts, we need the figures ready for which we shall follow some steps. In step 1, we figure out whether the account in question is expense or income. We are asked to make telephone charges account, and charge is the hint that it's an expense for Ralph, therefore it's an expense. This is the key point in the question because subsequent entries in the question depend on this. Many examinees make a common error of reversing the entries, so making it clear in the start of the question helps eliminate this silly error. Let's go to step 2, where we note down the accounting year. This purpose of knowing the accounting year is to know exactly for which months you should prepare the accounts. And knowing that helps to figure out whether there was any owing or prepayments in the beginning or end of the year. Our year end of this question is 30 April 2024, so beginning of the year is 1 May 2023. The accounting year is therefore 1st May 2023 to 30 April 2024. In step 3, we need to know the opening and closing balance. We begin with opening balance. We check what was happening in the question on 1st May 2023. There is no mention of 1st May 2023, which means there is no working or prepayments in the beginning of the year, and therefore no opening balance. Now let's try to find out the closing balance. So let's look at what happened on 30th April 2024. We can see in the question that they have paid $780 for 13 months, ending May 2024, and we also see that at the end of the year, $420 had not been paid yet. Let's account for this $420 first before dealing with $780, as the $420 is straightforward. If it's not paid, that means it belongs to the accounting year 1st May 2023 to 30 April 2024, but not paid in that year, so Ralph owes this charge. Now what do we do when we have an expense that is owed? To know the entry, we can remember some rules for step 3. If it's an expense owed, then it is an other payable and therefore credit. If it's an expense paid in advance, then it is an other receivable, so debit. The opposite is true for income. If it's income owed, then it's an other receivable and therefore debit. If it's an income received in advance, then it's an other payable and therefore credit. So by looking at the rules, expense owed is an other payable, so we credit the $420.